to our next speaker, which is Karoly. Are you there? From IPercept?
Yes, I am here. Good afternoon, good morning to all around the world.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Share your screen, Karoly.
Thank you very much.
I see you loud and clear. That's great. Take it
Fantastic. Great. Thank you very much. So I'm Karoly Szipka, CEO and one of the founders of IPercept Technology, which is an industrial software and services company focusing on predictive maintenance and advanced analytics applications for industrial machinery. We know that each machine is unique. Therefore, we are providing highly customized predictive maintenance solutions to introduce a new era of equipment utilization. We were established in 2019, commercializing long years of research in strong collaboration with large manufacturing enterprises. With them, we were developing automated diagnostic solutions for predictive maintenance applications in case of highly complex mechanical systems. Today, we are building strategic partnerships with both end users and OEMs of industrial machinery. We are a research-based startup, commercializing research from KTH Institute of Technology. And with our high customization, we start with the point to accept that each machine application case is unique, and our algorithms are customized to the specifics of the mechanics of these machines. So we apply our proprietary algorithms in combination with our patent-pending diagnostics method, which combines knowledge-based virtual twin simulations and data-based machine learning applications, because we know that the starting point must be a deep understanding of machines and not just throwing machine learning on any data. We use the highest end military specification sensors with the highest sensitivity, and with our signal processing algorithms, it provides high input quality, because garbage in, garbage out hasn't changed since the appearance of advanced algorithms. And our solution is easy to use and easy to integrate or retrofit, because there is no need for connection to the controllers of these machines, neither to have passwords or authentication to internal networks, which is also important from a cybersecurity viewpoint. So today, our solutions are best applied in case of machine tools like milling, drilling, turning, or grinding machines, and various types of industrial robots. For them, we provide predictive maintenance for all mechanical subsystems such as axes, joints, transmissions, motors, as well as self-calibration services with the determination of standardized kinematic parameters and identification of the change of these parameters over time. We also provide important insights to our customers through online dashboards about the utilization and performance of the machines in order to improve the utilization at the first place. We provide our customers a range of competencies in order to develop end-to-end predictive maintenance solutions, relying on competencies such as industrial analytics, advanced sensor utilization, modeling and simulation, edge computing, cloud computing, or data management and cybersecurity. The simple steps of the operations of our application starts with a virtual twin update, where we are updating our model with the most important parts of mechanical components. Then we perform sensor integration, and we perform periodic tests, which can be implemented both in off-duty test cycles and continuously monitoring the equipment. And then we perform alarming visualization and reporting. Our predictive maintenance solution starts at the first stage with a prediction capability to show that how strong are the predictions what we made based on the usage of our system. Then we perform abnormality identification, root cause analysis, and also predictions of remaining useful lifetime. How we work together with companies today is a step-by-step approach. We start in many cases with an analytics pre-study on existing data, and then we perform sensor integration and data collection on a selected sample machine. And then we scale up and implement customizations and full integration for our customers with the long-term mindset to create a strategic partnership and implement a complete predictive maintenance strategy. So with that, I would like to thank you very much for your attention, and I'm really eager to follow up with the conversations and happy to be part of the wonderful things community.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Karoly. And you also made it in good time. This is amazing. I thought 8 minutes initially was very short, but you did make it very well. So let's see if we have any questions for Karoly on the chat. Otherwise, while we're waiting, if there are questions, maybe you can talk a little bit about your financial status and stuff like that as well.
Mm-hmm. We are just closing our current round, and now we are also looking into longer term Series A financing possibilities. So yeah, we were strongly supported with the KTH innovation after we got the company got founded, and then member of Sting. So we are continue growing.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a very good example of somebody who learned how to utilize the, let's say, the value chain, if you can call it, or a growth chain for startups in Stockholm. So from KTH innovation to Sting to things. That's brilliant.
Exactly. We love this environment there.
Perfect. Well, with all of that, thank you so much, Karoly.